Welcome back to Wildflower's YouTube channel.
I'm Sydney.
And I'm Devon. Today we're going to be making flower crowns. We're revisiting 2014 past Wildflower posts and past me and Sydney memories in honor of
Our American flag case.
which we're re-releasing, which was a release back in the day. I'm starting.
Okay. Well, you have the wire?
I'm just gonna like measure my head a little. That's my technique. Oh, do we have, oh yeah, we do. Oh, easier than I thought.
Okay. I have a big head. We can measure our head. Up. Okay.
You're
oh my
jealous.
God, whoa,
Ow.
you just looked like how you did in 2014. You used to like actually wear flower crowns.
Yeah, because they were cute and a vibe. Oh, there's Sydney in a flower crown as she's shitting on me for wearing them. They were so
why
cute.
does mine look like that?
Sydney wore flower crowns more than I
photos
did.
of me with flower crowns.
Your mom's Instagram.
I low-key was blonde.
Yeah,
I just remember you wearing them more than me.
it's because my profile picture was me wearing a flower crown. That's probably why. I'm gonna use these flowers. Sydney took the sunflowers, but
Well, I might
actually
need
like
some of
these.
those.
There's
See?
horses behind you.
Horsies.
There's a lot going on at this park. Us.
Vibing. I'm on a roll so far.
So DIYing jean shorts in or out 2024 summer.
In
Who made these?
Sydney.
That was me. I have had a strange, weird thing where I draw on like things that I shouldn't. I one time drew on a Louis Vuitton backpack. I painted on it, and my mom was so mad.
Furious.
Another pair of shoes. We need.
That's
to know this
Devon.
too.
Oh, that's me.
That is Devon.
Those are American flag Litas. I actually think they might be knockoff Litas, to be honest. And I was obsessed with Jeffrey Campbell Litas. They were like lace-up platform.
Yeah.
And I wore them to homecoming. And I was obsessed with the Lita movement. I had studded ones, I had the American flag ones, I had sparkly ones.
Did you guys DIY these shorts?
Our mom did.
Those tights are crazy.
Do you think I did that or you?
I don't, it's like hard to tell in the cut off head ones who's who.
That's definitely you.
Know that.
I know, that's me.
That's
See, I know who is who. That I took in the backyard. I loved that flower crown. That was maybe the best flower crown that we made. This was also heavy in an LF phase where all I wanted and like my main source of inspiration was anything from LF, which was a boutique all around America. And they would buy things from Australia and resell them at the craziest
for like
markup.
$300 for a pair of shorts.
It was like boutique quality. My mom made that flower crown that I was wearing in that pic.
Yeah, she was good at the flower crowns.
She was really good at the flower crowns. And she hot glue gunned it onto a piece of leather. And then she like hot glued fake
leather
flowers. Yeah, it was so cute.
These boots.
Combat boots. Is that what those are called?
Yeah. Here's another pair that's studded.
I like those ones. Those ones were actually nice quality, so those ones can stay. Oh my gosh, the other ones were from LF, and they were brown, and they had a huge studded cross that went like down the back and then around.
I just remember those pants I was wearing. I like cried for them. Boy London. I wanted them so bad, and I was like, I am the illest in the world.
Yeah, you were like, it was like definitely swaggy. Like
it was like my swag era.
Sandals.
We were
I think
obsessed
that's
with those.
me. Those were Sam Edelman from Nordstrom.
Why do you remember?
Because I was like obsessed with them all. It meant a lot to me that I had those. I wore them to my second trip to New York. And I wore them every day, yeah. The second time I ever went to New York.
Speaking of like Tumblr, was there any like Tumblr girlies that you just like
Father Kells.
stand?
I know, Father Kells was a Tumblr girl.
She was huge with her colored hair.
Joanna
I was gonna say
Kuchta.
Joanna.
She was like the number one of that time.
She was like
just killed it.
grunge.
Polish princess. But yeah, Joanna killed it. Still killing it.
Military like camo jackets, like the green.
Your hair was
jacket.
I have a camo band-aid on. My boyfriend at the time said that he liked when I wore like army stuff, so I would always wear army stuff.
Who was your boyfriend at the time?
Andrew.
That is so random. Didn't you like scream cry when you broke up? Anyways.
What? Oh, I did not like that case when we released it. I did not like that. That was definitely a
You're
Sydney
like, I'm
idea.
staying now.
I don't like that one.
I don't remember having any ties to that case.
I think that was a you idea.
Okay, let's talk about the avocado cakes.
That one's good.
That one is a yes for me.
I was really into
so
like graphic.
random.
I was just gonna say graphic tees. Like I
You
loved
loved
a
a graphic
slogan.
tee. Flower child.
Oh,
Wait, we randomly sold, remember we sold like t-shirts? The early beginnings of Wildflower?
Yeah, we did.
And it
clothes.
said like, my Wi-Fi's out.
Yeah, Wi-Fi. It was a heart with
It was
that
just
said
Wi-Fi,
Wi-Fi.
actually. I'm scared.
This was
scared.
the worst thing I found.
Oh God, I'm scared. A wrap
Dissect
watch. Oh no, it's really bad. That ring.
What is
You
the-
definitely had that ring.
What does the hat say? Ain't no wifey.
Ain't no wifey.
I think I had that.
You did.
You loved glasses
I
like that.
loved glasses like that.
But,
And
like-
I did wear dresses like that are kind of like,
They're kind
I
of
dressed
like,
a lot older for my age.
Yeah.
Like I did not really, I wanted to be an adult really bad, I think.
So polyroller vibes. Like we still make these, but this one's better.
That one's
It's of
better.
The naked palette.
The
my God,
glasses and the statement
the
necklace.
leather skirts were big.
Ooh, that's not a cute picture of me at all.
That's crazy.
We used to actually
did
go
you
to
look
this white
older?
wall. I look so old.
Oh yeah, we went to this white wall. This is where we took all of our photos. This one white wall.
In the back of our dad's
In the
old
back of-
office.
His old office building.
In the parking lot.
In the parking lot, there was like a giant wall because it was just a big building. And we would go there like every day,
We'd call it the white wall.
the white wall. And mom would come and take all of our photos. And then we would edit them and like whiten the wall even more.
And that was one of those times. Also my shirt, and that was from Planet Blue, and I was obsessed with Planet Blue. And then
I got my prom dress from there.
I got my prom dress from there. I was so lost. And it was, I like was really happy, but I was just like, didn't have know where to find inspiration for outfits, and like I knew things that I liked, but I just like, I would go on Tumblr a lot, but that was like really my only source of like inspiration for making outfits or like what to wear. And I feel like I know myself now. So looking back at this, I feel good that I found myself.
I think that like galaxy print alien core will never come back.
Okay, well
That is insane.
That was at the Cobra Snake store on Highland.
Oh my gosh, I remember
And
that store.
I was obsessed with Cobra Snake anything. And yeah, I think it could come back in like a like camp way, but not in like a serious way. Like we were so serious about the alien.
Yeah, it was
print.
serious. I have a straightener still that is Galaxy. Is that me on the end with my
Yes.
arm up?
What are you wearing?
Gosh.
That was after going to the Melrose flea market.
Would you guys wear these?
Yeah,
my necklace.
those are Wild Fox. That was actually at a trade show, and me and Sydney wore them. So people would like know we were sisters and it was a family company. And on the back it had some like inspirational sister quote.
It did.
Wait, the black nail
Oh my
polish.
gosh. Low-key.
That's
Oh!
I'm not mad at an
No,
emoji
that's
case.
insane.
Like I think it's funny.
you have
We got in a
gums on
se-
your fingernails too.
Yeah, we got a
Like
cease and
assist.
for that.
But that means that they noticed us. Hi. We were obsessed with Drake. That was heavy in a Drake era, phase, whatever.
Yes.
This was our first leopard love.
Oh my God, I was so proud of that.
The edit.
What's the ideal 4th of July weekend celebration? What are you doing this year?
4th of July is fun because it's like randomly everyone decides that they're just down to be fun the entire day. I love being by the water. It's usually pretty hot in LA. Hopefully it'll be warm. A barbecue, obviously a barbecue. Hot dogs on the grill and friends and laughter. And I'm gonna be using this case and everyone's gonna be like, oh my God.
It just stresses me out. There's like so much traffic and I like watching the fireworks from a cozy place. Well, I just like being like, I'm not even gonna be here. So then I don't have to stress about a plan. Mine's actually kind of coming along.
Mine low-key is done. Yeah. Mine's a little like midsummer.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Is it weird?
No. Wait, let me wrap. Let me like
really get a good look. Oh, whoa, this one's taking straight up. No one is gonna tell me.
I haven't really looked at you, to be honest. I'm really focused at finishing.
Look at this. No.
You lost your touch.
What the hell? Also, I made it too
You like thought you were serving.
This is insane.
Reflecting back on those pictures is just making me really embarrassed.
This one's just too big
from those years.
This is awful.
It's pretty bad.
I nailed it, obviously.
I think I'm winning this one, sis. My name in my sister's phone is Sissy, and I don't think she's ever called me Sissy in her entire life.
I never have.
Actually, another fun story from 2014 was we did a Wildflower shoot in these Jack Vinnick tie-dye shirts that had a blurred out middle finger. It was like a pixelated middle finger. And we found an abandoned grocery cart, and I can't remember if I was in it or you were in it, but we were like, ah, ah. And we posted it on Instagram, and my grandpa emailed my mom.
Oh, he emailed.
And he was livid. But you know what? We love you, Grandpa, and I think it's so sweet that you emailed my mom because you care about us that much.
Yeah, Grandpa.
We killed that shoot. So in the comments, I think you guys should vote who wins this challenge. And I don't know, it's gonna be like such a big surprise.
I feel like it's gonna be like a tight,
it's like gonna be like so close.
You should wrap it up.
I'm wrapping it up, literally.
And then let's put it on.
Wow, stop.
Yours like looks good.
Like there's like, but the.
I just put on eyeliner. I'm sure those are all like still on my Instagram too.
Yeah,
like,
they are. That's why I found them.
Perfect.
Today I'm wearing Jeremy Scott Adidas all white, Levi's, and Brandy Melville. I am wearing a push-up bra and an Asian provocateur bra. And a necklace that I got in Aspen.
I'm wearing some rock and roll Converse. Got these on Poshmark. And this is my first time wearing them, but I knew they would come in handy. These are shorts I've had for probably 10 years actually. 10-year-old shorts. And this is Devon's shirt. We just looked up. We just looked up where this is. It's a place in California. Thank you for watching another Wildflower YouTube video.
And don't forget to shop wildflowercases.com.